This is how it starts. It starts small, but it ends up becoming a big process with lots of spinning and moving parts. Then we can change the apparatus of the hemisphere. And I promise that we are going to turn this whole thing into a huge new places to grab the inside sphere, grab the stomach virus, turn it into a lopsided triangle, and turn it into a huge, humongous crapanoophalus.